Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you a few tips. If you ever see these animals, birds, different shapes in the dollar store, pick them up. All I did was attach it to a painted cork, put some jute around it, and this would be great in a garden or in a houseplant display, or just for the holidays to display these items. And it's a quick and easy way of making it a little bit more decorative. This thing hanging in the back, these are for those trading cards. You have these cases that you can put your cards in to protect them. Why not put a photo, a little wrapping paper? This would be great as a Christmas tree ornament, so you can put people's pictures in it. It's such an inexpensive item. You can hang a clothespin. You could actually put a hole through this and just put ribbon through it. It's such a great item to craft with. I told you in a previous video about making a napkin ring or a fabric holder. I used the tube that the paper towels come in, and if you notice, these spaces for the glue for the paper towel correspond with the sizes of the cork. So all you have to do is cut along the line, and that's exactly what I did. One thing I would like to say is that it got really bulky, so I could have sliced the cork and wrapped it around that way. But I feel that you can, if you don't want it to be very bulky, you could put some fabric on the back. I cut it a bit so that it was a little bit smaller. And as I mentioned, I dipped these in paint. So you can see how there are some that I put that were plain, just for display purposes. But for this one, I showed you only the dipped corks. So there are so many ideas and so many ways you can use things that you already have to recycle, reuse, and repurpose. And I just want to show you this pencil holder out of cork. I originally started with a plastic cup, you know, those disposable plastic cups, but I decided once the spacing was off to make it into a pencil holder. You could use that plastic cup and instead of gluing it this way, glue it this way. And then you would have the cork coming out. But I didn't like the look of it as much as I liked the look of this. So I hope these little tips work, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.